Here we are for day 2 of EBC's Ultimate Fiesta build in partnership with Pumaspeed. We're actually down here at MAX'D Out tuning today, where Andy's behind the scenes currently looking at the data logs. He's now going to run the car and see if we can get to that magic 400. Let's get to it. So another busy day today. Andy's been working his magic on the car. He's actually managed to get it to that magic 400. In fact, he got it to 401.2 brake horsepower. We have dialed it back slightly to 370, just so it's going to be a little bit safer for the person that wins this car. Keep an eye out, there will be an episode released soon where we take this car and we really test it. Thanks for watching.